Welcome to Tia Art and Craft. Today we'll make daisy flowers with paper. Take a white paper and make a circle. Cut it. Then fold it like I do. Cut like I do. Roll it. Take a yellow paper and cut. This is to make the center part. Take one stick and paint it with green color. You can use acrylic color as well. Roll the yellow paper on the top of the stick. Now put the stick in the center of the white paper. Look, we made the daisy flowers. We'll see you in another video. Bye bye.